Hi.
Welcome to Worcester. $1.25, pa.
Wow, she likes Adam Sandler. Hey, so we are, well, we're at the rear end of Casper.
In Worcester, Mass.
In Worcester, Mass, doing an update on, well, our lives. What are we doing?
Well, we are a full-time travel family. Does that mean we have to travel in Casper? No. There's many different ways to travel. So we're going to travel in...
Well, we'll tell them that later.
Okay. We're going to travel across the country. We're working our way to South Dakota. And we're going to spend a month there. And then we're going to go to Spokane, Washington to visit his family for the next couple of months. Since we've been with my family, they feel a little jealous.
So we have been, to give you some background if you haven't watched some of our other videos, so this is Casper, and Casper has been our home for, well, quite a while, but in March we had to leave him in Portland. In June I went to pick him up, I brought him back, and 3 hours from home I had a little brain fart and tore off part of his butt on one of the protective barriers at a gas station. We called around, and the only place within like a 30-mile radius that would even look at him was where he's at right now. They said it's going to take a little while.
It's November 4th.
Yeah, so 2 months later, they actually figured out, hey, we need to order a new back wall. It took the insurance a while to come out and get that figured out. Then they told us, hey, I think it's going to get totaled. It didn't get totaled. So they tried to order a back wall, but Keystone wouldn't let them order direct, so it took them a while to find a vendor. Once they found the vendor, the guy said, hey, it'll be there in 3 weeks. 6 weeks later, the wrong wall, like completely wrong wall, showed up. Keystone said, we knew we sent the wrong wall, but we weren't 100% sure, so we had to wait till it showed up. So once it showed up, they had the wrong wall. They've now shipped another wall that's going to take another 3 to 4 weeks. Am I going really fast?
No, you're hollering.
Am I?
Yes, like you have anger. Are you angry about the situation?
I'm a little PO'd because our life has, well...
It's been on a pretty much halted.
Yep.
You know, except for we did do a little, you know, trip to Acadia National Park, and we did a little trip to Sunday River, but we've been kind of stuck for a bit, you know.
Okay, so like Susanna said, we're going across the U.S. We're going to be filming, going across the northern U.S. in the dead of winter.
Yes, we're going to check out Badlands National Park. We're going to check out Mount Rushmore.
Yeah.
We're going to check out Rapid City. If you get the theme, it's South Dakota.
Lots of South Dakota.
South Dakota seems to be pretty okay COVID-wise, so I think we're going to go there and just stay there for a bit.
Yeah. And then we'll make our way to Washington. But as far as videos and stuff coming out, we have tons of content still. We've got the Oregon coast, at least 4 to 6 weeks more videos along the west coast. We've got tons of stuff in Maine. We've got more of New England. We've got the foliage and all that stuff, and some great places in New Hampshire and Maine to check out. So there's a lot of stuff coming. But earlier Susanna was talking about how we're gonna get from here in Worcester to there in Washington.
So what had happened was we thought this guy was going to get totaled, and we're like, oh, maybe we should upgrade to a fifth wheel, because we realized over Christmas that Casper isn't truly big enough to have all 3 kids and us. He slept on an air mattress in the middle of the floor. I shared a bed with Kirsten. Well, great. She's a teenager and, you know, phone all night long. So not the best idea.
Love you, Kiki.
So we've been looking at fifth wheels. And so we ended up upgrading our truck to something a litof bit stronger. So let's go meet Blaze.
So Blaze is a 2020 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD diesel. Part of the reason that we went from a 2019 to a 2020 is a large increase in towing capacity. Plus, Blaze has the puck system for a fifth wheel already inside. And so this is Blaze. there's Blaze again. So really, we're leaving today, and we're heading across the U.S. And when are we going to get Casper back? We've
no idea, but we're probably just going to stay out in Washington area until January, February timeframe, so a few months.
Yep. And if Casper gets fixed, we still have a decision to make. Do we want to upgrade, or do we want to keep him? So a lot of stuff going on. Our lives have been in turmoil for quite a while now, just like everybody else's. So I know it's a sob story for us. Everybody's got their own. But anyway, we just want to give you an update. And next week we'll be back to normal stuff. I think we're going to Alcatraz in the next video. So from Hinton the Trail, thank you very much. And we will see you soon.
On the road. It's on the road.
It's on the road. On the trail. Whatever it is. We're going to see you. Thanks for watching.